I am Massimo Morello. I am a session master. I work with Kevin.Murphy from 12 years. Here I am today as a hair director for the Barcelona Bridal Fashion Week. Yeah, I'm actually one of the lucky ones that travels to do fashion weeks. I've been doing quite a few the last 10, 15 years, something like that, yeah. Probably 100 and something shows a year. That's what I sign in for. Like I love to do this. My relationship with Showpony actually started quite a while ago. I've been using the extension from the hair from, I would say 6 years probably, since before they actually officially launched in Europe. So I loved it because when I tried it the first time, what really impressed me, it was that there was a lot of hair in each weft. There was a lot of hair and the quality is just amazing. So not only me, but the models like it as well, the clients like it too. So it's a win-win. So I would say 6 years ago I started to work with Stephanie and Showpony, yes. Sometimes we use extension to make the hair longer, sometimes we make the extension to make the hair thicker, and sometimes we just place it in the right place. So here we have our lovely model here that she have like a good amount of hair, but like on the side, this hairstyles is gonna be a little bit wet. So when you work with wet hair, the hair kind of reduce their density. So we are here to thicken up the sides only because at the back she have quite a good amount. So I just apply a few on the side to reinforce the structure of the hair. I just place like three double tape on that side, and I'm going to do exactly the same on this side. As the hairstyles is going to go like comb back, I'm just angling the section like a little bit on a diagonal, going back, because that's where I'm going to comb the hair later on. Yeah, we use it on. I think the first show we had a ballerina bun, one of the ballerina bun, and one of the models, Andrea, she's a very lovely girl. She has very fine hair, and so we wanted to add a little bit of thickness, because then when we put it in the bun doesn't look so small. So like we did that extension there. We use it like yesterday as well in some shows. To be honest, on a bridal, sometimes we do like up styles, and people get confused because you think that up styles doesn't require to have hair extension, but like that's not true. That's a false myth, because you can always use the extension even when you're doing up style. So yeah, we use it quite a lot actually the last few days.